does Hinduism's view on alcohol and substance use affect health? Hinduism's view on alcohol and substance use significantly influences health by promoting moderation, self-control, and, in many interpretations, abstinence. These views are deeply rooted in Hindu philosophy and ethics, which prioritize the maintenance of a sattvic, pure, lifestyle for both spiritual and physical well-being. Spiritual and ethical considerations. Hindu scriptures and teachings often caution against the excessive use of alcohol and other substances due to their tamasic, leading to darkness and inertia, qualities. The consumption of alcohol is generally discouraged as it is believed to impair judgment, inhibit spiritual growth, and lead to behavior that can accumulate negative karma. This perspective is consistent with the principle of ahimsa, non-violence, as substance abuse can lead to harm, both self-inflicted and towards others. Health implications. From a health perspective, Hinduism's discouragement of substance abuse aligns with modern medical advice regarding the risks associated with alcohol and drug consumption. Regular or excessive use of such substances can lead to a multitude of health problems, including liver disease, heart problems, addiction, and mental health issues like depression and anxiety. By advocating for moderation or abstinence, Hinduism inherently promotes a lifestyle that can mitigate these risks, contributing to overall physical health and longevity. Social and family well-being. Hindu teachings on alcohol and substance use also emphasize the importance of maintaining harmonious social and family relationships. Substance abuse can have devastating effects on families and communities, leading to social discord, financial problems, and emotional distress. The Hindu ethos, which values dharma, righteous living, and familial duties, naturally advocates against behaviors that can disrupt social harmony and family well-being. Practices and observances. Many Hindus observe religious days and periods of fasting, such as Ekadashi, Shivratri, and the month of Kartika, during which they abstain from alcohol and non-vegetarian food. These practices not only have spiritual significance but also offer physical benefits, such as detoxification and rest for the digestive system. The discipline required for these observances can also strengthen self-control and reduce dependency on substances. Conclusion. Hinduism's views on alcohol and substance use profoundly impact health by advocating for a lifestyle that emphasizes purity, self-control, and spiritual growth. By discouraging the consumption of substances that can impair physical and mental well-being, Hindu teachings support a holistic approach to health that includes the well-being of the individual, family, and wider community. The alignment of these religious and ethical principles with contemporary health advice further underscores the timeless relevance of Hindu teachings in promoting a healthy and balanced life.